too much GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe e wo too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa oman Ghana so ena ye de bremu one god nie the only one god in GH eho na de bia mehwe abrotefo ene Ghana for mo wiasa fa na ina me recommend emamo too much GH.
I was not for too much G8 and when you go so I will say me did a bacopen and not Alma Owusa. Me did me just say and not ask them about and who being asked them, maybe a bit more Alma are for any for. Met me and be a woman now, Ghana had ye, and them ever has say. Stylish Zara man, and say tell me the end there was social media. As I said, the entire shemu quantity, I'm not popular, Mitre Richard Brown, Nebium Theatre friend, Nana Abba, and my baby daddy. Elsubo, or no one sem, and I say a day, I bet you that now where the infant entire shen in any dresses no ask them. Na Neri or him man ex-wife, or him or what a mum you know, and what the allegations be are dropping against Nikunu, a brana, Warbed General, our now, a bit for Moya Masona Mintier. A year or sebo, Neri or him, my ex-wife, I mean, the ex-wife or him at or sebo ya, acquire your nimno, I said, if you ever be alive, I can see it and war boy. Say, all be worried the year or him, my crown was the car, what in my woody chia, the tison, sir. Says he can no check no, and as I say, and the ex-wife or him at say, not check no crown, a fake check. Checker or sebo, and be worried no, a fake. It was a for. Osiboya o di enim no Zara man life man sikenya eti no check no de e man ire ebusuafo ebra na wokoto ne tiri ensa no ne ire kira eye fake check ena wode e man na ne ire ohima yi wono ena ensemba efa bishop Daniel Wobinim ne girlfriends a wono mu date the side chicks aside ono agasa ne ire Florence Obinim no din ebetuto bia ye bobo din e bo baku din e se ohima wono SM ena make na ohima ya akro ena osabet na eye Kweku menu ni aggressive show no so echeche nsem se na ba ya woni Bishop Daniel Wobinim nya nkita wodie se na woni ne komodie ekwa ne kunu no etu so ana so behu ya mo ma ware no tete ba eno krampo no websa engina so se Bishop Daniel Wobinim ti eno ma ware eguye but oka say other reasons are related to ne kunu ebusuan form na ne niemu no asen komo ne ekoso na komo ne eko ne nim no and what I just said, so Ghana for you who crew now to say, you who name say, no dressing, Tissika one and chain, and says, Cow go to come on, no crack me now, and yet studio, Timitra or Eka say, one on Nana Abba animal who not to send your couple money because no planning Yamadi data, or a businessman or Tita Tika, or one swag, or any say, what didn't want that I won't be any problem. So I'll send a party, you and then the Carissa. And then the Carissa, maybe flex be no better flex here in Tyrendo will be. Any mad nya will be fra. And no do wait me that Jane. Now to say sika pa say sika de woni bi no say work a drink you can work a drink fraud fraud deep fraud there. You see we also go sin chan and want me enya bibia e found. Now the fraud in ya say even on the day I won worry ni ire or hima as tell your ex-wife or worry no campo checker what they emma and check no na a fake check na no campo no e bra or hima e church mo tire say because of check no na kalinya bema a wojire mu edisika na ewo bisia no anemu won ka ye yachi no atu ye yachi na to jail because of osibo fake checker what they do that because ebra wo call bank say wo kwa withdraw sika a cash out e ye check and ono akasa konta ediama no adiama obusia so the tini ne irritation sanu what they call bank say wo kwa withdraw no e ho na bank for here na mo say that dia brand ya dwoboni abadichim obedi abro womu saw na page say womu de ni chie ena he wunya we hin na de nje tete kwesi to mu de bomba de no na ase aye nsempi nti ewu sakro ya eno musa eba mu ebe to twaje eye ohima no osibon ex husband ex-wife no won beje ni nua no efi eye bankers no ensem eni a police for akachere nti ye hwe ni ye pa no osibo wona wota no wonye osibo oyo banka sampo yen ka desa woyo banka se wodane oye very skillful no say sly enu nti ye hwe ni ye hu ye pa ewo ehum na we na Ghana for 87 no say na wosibo na ye ni me no ono na ne ex-wife ohima ka no wasama na no so when say one am one show yeah just say only problem bia o say no to me exna say be makasa bum ni dressing ni outlook ni fashion sense to me say won shede ni problem sense e ba ni sen die mpa ni etimpa e de eta etwema wokọ ese kwakọware ni yire ohima no wo tu ni tin san sika wo de tu on check kra ba cho de say check cry flex no after checker what am a fake check die pa ni agye a eta echire and go for be egg kase wan ha na nyere no kwa from the start no sheda interesting is no pe no na kase po esi ni buka say nyere no ono kra na ye good wa manage because no a bad boy from the start ono na dream sheda ni fie sa na nyere na say na all managing all that while even in their relationship now like otosi no kra we are all managing the man who say oh woman e ye good eluti no tunu na money na de na kasa no e be twa say na dream sheda nya settled sa e won yere enwo ye enunti eno di fake check editor and the business said that so was about yes I know you're very wicked or you're wicked as time and now would jive na aba and more a brand now for your phone our ya class or tini mammy and your puncher or name you Johnny Janu or a sa person and they say no dear equity a year or him and a wickedness no did and up and no be no deity a year or him because obey man to more din and they let me at say I'm more idea no superman or asem away chili. And nti se osibo eyesa na etumodin pa na brante no ewo na fam na ni nyemu no comment be bagana for adi ante yebeka chiremu na here some of the comments are aba ewo ha say when you fi patient see this man no wonder he wears ladies clothes. He is more of a lady than a man because no proper man will go to his in-laws house with fake things or chena you say hey ape oh the all year with social media the entire shame in the cabin street atali or shame is get and top oh actually super actually so actually so your back when you bema say ko ye bema or ye bema mu a enko won ko na asifie e fa ni sabenku enra ho o de ni sabenku e gincha e won asifie wan na yesa wo bema ale wo ko na woni mana letisi wetimi nya kokudro akona sumfie akowo ma omu fake check nko ade na ne mema ayo no atosin enchire bibia ntini tare hwem kwa no echire memfa eye funny dear so wode abetu dra ewa osin I can't stop laughing. This man has been a player. This man has been a player from his youthful days. See how he impregnated Nana Abba Anamwa, left her when she needed her the most, and ran away off to somewhere abroad and came back with another woman whom he also deceived by paying fake check to his family. He's such a player. And also action I don't know who he said was the ball. Oh, I did the one. A normal flow because what me the idea way edin na ba na mo ebra wo nyem ofa yefuma wo say your god the man no we nya botra do asom no anyem na wo behwe na ka be ma wo betina ahwe no awona wo anasa awe mpu a ka wa wo na awo no we ntime nya kudro anya sa wo dwan ko shabochi sa bra biem de be dane wonyam a wo ye wo Ghana ha sa na say ade a wo ye etu ekira sa na wo tukwan na wo ba ye sa o sa the fake check akwa roba fufuro dem pa na wo pa chi nti pa che say we a player and pa we will be comment no dey abam dona esutia what about say how can women believe this guy in the first place? Two beautiful women have fallen for this man. I'm even shocked self. Also Atre, Najin, Afa and Seminole no say the echo so dey a shocking pa say was the boy otunya ma won fe fom yenu ma won de won say no timi play o ma woman timi hu say e play pa na wo e play o we so e fi death unruly or say ha I can't stop laughing. I am laughing and turning around like I'm crazy because of this Osibo guy. Really, how funny can he be? Or not so actually na or say Osibo Osibo one trickish person pa yenshe last comment a few rose a woody so about say this life is funny. See this man portraying class and fashion and all that all over, but yet can't even stand as a man in front of his own in-laws. If I were to be the brother, I would have ensured that he was kept in prison right after we found out that the check was fake, and even destroyed the marriage. Also, dear, I would say, no pan what say anase ne busuam ena wosobo eba ye befa oyire edi fake check so be free oba kwa awentu ahwe na nka asemba etire se yanko no obe make sure say sa dana sa breko no mu se check no eye fake no enka wahwe no yegu no ho na ebiem to ye sa de no ato aso akọ eye police station akọ report ne say wo ye fake person no ebiem no to wo the fake check and abe wahwe wo mo ebusuani na ebusafo 7 de make se me koma otimu se bi de wo mo simadwe piece of bo mo fa no ho nche no ya pa de mo ma gya ne bi pa na emu no aha and I recommend to the ABC what's our shame in there and watching efa the latest revelation aletoja efa Richard Brown nana aba anamwa ni baby daddy no osebo asem we de edam anim monche madwe e wo ye comment section na ebiem so mon share video we efa ma dofo ani wo bibia na se won subscribe to Tuma GH me pa cho me so we subscribe say say bibia no you upload new videos updates e wo your stories so and this what subscribe ya obetimi any notification e wo phone so ebiem so no say ade de Tuma GH your Instagram obetimi afollow e wo @TumaGH_ me din edena na ama owusa aha na bre e ba me kwan amade gist no esi channel so na ye adoma ye besa edi enhemu ebiem makramo